Good morning, students. Welcome back to the St. Mary's School. Nagina, myself Priya, and today I am going to teach you exercise first C and first D of unit first of class 3rd, published by Bharti Bhavan. And I hope you have completed your homework taught in the last video. With page number 3, exercise first C. Here you will study about place value. Children, in a number, every digit have its own place. First question is fill in the blanks. A part 276 is given. 2 is on hundreds place, 7 is on tens place, and 6 is on ones place. First digit is 2. Then write the place value of 2. 2 is on hundreds place now. Then write here 200. 200, 200. Next digit is 7. It is on tens place. Write 70, 70. Next one is 6. The place value of 6 is 6 because it is on ones place. Now second one is 672 is given. 6 is on hundreds place, 7 is on tens place, 2 is on ones place. So first one is 6 is given, then you write the place value of 6, and 6 is on hundreds place, write 600. Next one is 7. The place value of 7 is 70 because it is given on tens place. Next is 2. The place value of 2 is 2 because it is given on ones place. Now third one, 726. 7 is on hundreds place, 2 is on tens place, 6 is on ones place. Here you can see first digit is 6 is given and 6 is on ones place. Then write the place value of 6, 6. Next is 7. 7 is on hundreds place, then write 700. And next is 2, and 2 is on tens place, right here 20, 20. Students, rest of the part you have to complete in homework. Now start next question, page number 3. Write in words. Listen children, here you have to write the number names, or you can say spelling of these numerals. First one is 732. You can see here 7 is on hundreds place, 3 is on tens place, 2 is on ones place. So write here 732. Next one is 158. Write here 158. Next one is 872. Write the spelling of it. 872. Next is given 503. Write the spelling of it. 503. Next is 246 is given. Write the number name of it. 246. Now 663. Write the spelling of it. 663. Now next is 777. Write here 777. This part you do in homework. Let's come to Exercise 1D, page number 4. First one is write the predecessor, the number before. Here in A part 52 is given. Then write the number in the space given. What comes before 52? Right here 51. Now next one is 90. What comes before 90? Right here 89. Next one is 111. Right here what comes before 111? 110. Next is 557. Here 256 will come. Now 300. What comes before 300? Right here 299. Children, you have to do this part in homework. Now come to next one. Write the successor, the number after. In first part 79 is given. You have to write what comes after 79? 80. Next one is 169. What comes after 169? Right here 170. Next is 200. What comes after 200? Right here 201. Now 352 is given. Right here 353. Next is 468. What comes after 468? Right here 469. Students, this part means rest of the part you have to complete in homework. Now next question. Page number 4. Write the number between. First is 667 space 69 is given. Which number will come between 67 and 69? Right here 68. Next is 119 space 201 is given. Which number will come between these numbers? Right here 200. Next is 109 space 111 is given. Which number will come between these two numbers? Right here 110. Children, these two questions you do in copies and in book itself. Now continue the pattern. First you see here 472, then 476, then 480 is given. You have to complete this series. First you see the difference between these two numbers. Here 4 is the difference. In first number you add 4. You will get 476. Then add 4. You will get 480. In 480 add 4. You will get 484. Again add 4. You will get 488. Again add 4. You will get 492. In last you add 4. You will get 496. Now next one is 540. Here also you see the difference between these two numbers. Difference is 20, and here also 20. So in first number you add 20, you will get 560. Then again add 20, you will get 580. Then again you add 20, you will get 600. Again add 20, you will get 620. Again add 20, you will get 640. Again add 20, you will get 660. Last one is 950. This series you can see it is decreased by 50. First number is 950, then 900, then 850. In first number you will do minus 50, then you will get 900. Again minus 50, you will get 850. Again you do minus 50, you will get 800. Again minus 50, you will get 750. Again you do minus 50 from 750, you will get 700, and in last also minus 50, you will get 650. This series you have to complete, means carry on pattern you have to complete in your book itself. Now come to page number 5, exercise 1E. Students, these two questions do in homework as you have learnt in class 2nd. First one is put the sign greater than, smaller than or equal to. Second is ring the smallest and tick the largest. Thank you everyone.